Moving ahead, the Supreme Court today took serious objection to offensive and scandalous remarks made against a sitting judge of the Telangana High Court in a petition and issued show cause notice for contempt of court. The matter involved a transfer petition filed by one N. Peddi Raju, who had sought to transfer a criminal case concerning Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy away from the bench of Justice Maushami Bhattacharya. The transfer plea made several defamatory allegations against her. A bench of Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Justice K. Vinod Chandran observed that the court cannot allow litigants and lawyers to malign the image of judges, especially when the judiciary itself is trying to protect lawyers from harassment, including summons by agencies like the ED. During the hearing, the counsel for the petitioner tried to withdraw the petition, but the court was not convinced. The CJI said that advocates on record and lawyers are officers of the court, and it is their duty to ensure that petitions filed do not contain improper or defamatory content. The bench proceeded to issue show cause notices to the petitioner, the advocate on record, and all lawyers involved in drafting and filing the petition. They have been asked to explain why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against them. The court cited a previous Constitution bench ruling which held that not just the litigant but also the lawyer who signs such a petition can be held guilty of contempt. Senior advocate Siddharth Luthra appeared for Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who was the respondent in the case. Let me tell you here that the original case filed by the petitioner in the Telangana High Court involved allegations against CM Revanth Reddy under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act for allegedly vandalizing a scheduled caste society office and using caste-based abuse. But on 17th July, Justice Maushami Bhattacharya had quashed the proceedings, saying that there was no evidence that Reddy was even present at the scene of the incident. Interestingly, just before the judgment, the complainant's lawyer had mentioned to the High Court that he had already filed a transfer petition before the Supreme Court asking that the case be shifted to another bench. But the judge noted that this request came after hearings had concluded and the order had been reserved. Also, the petition did not even mention when it was filed. Well, the Supreme Court today took this entire episode seriously, especially the tone and content of the transfer petition, and has now sent a strong message that judges cannot be maligned without consequence and that lawyers share equal responsibility in maintaining decorum and respect for the judiciary.